Hi students, MCQ number 3. The length of a seconds pendulum on the surface of the earth is 0.9 meter. The length of the same pendulum on the surface of a planet X such that the acceleration of the planet X is n times greater than that of the earth is to be determined. Now what are the given quantities? Before that you must know what is a seconds pendulum. Seconds pendulum is a type of simple pendulum only whose period of oscillation to make one to and fro motion, the time taken is 2 seconds. Okay. Now for the same time period on the planet X, what should be the length of the pendulum is asked. So what are the given quantities? The length of the string on the earth is 0.9 meter. The length of the string on the planet X has to be determined. Then the value of G on the planet X is n times the value of G on earth. Then the period of oscillation of a seconds pendulum, wherever you go, the period of oscillation must be 2 seconds only. Then only it can be called as a seconds pendulum. So the clue is given here. Okay. So the period of oscillation on earth is equal to the period of oscillation on X, that is equal to 2 seconds. Now what is the general expression? The general expression for period T is equal to what? 2 pi into square root of L by G. Now on the earth TE, okay. So L is suffix E on earth and G on earth I will take. Then on the planet X, Tx, the period of oscillation on the planet X, this is equal to 2 pi into square root of L on X divided by G on X. So this is also equal to what? 2 pi into square root of L on X divided by, instead of Gx, I can substitute n times Ge. So instead of Gx, n into Ge. Now the left hand side, the period of oscillation for a seconds pendulum will be the same on both the surfaces. So I am going to equate. Okay. So Tx is equal to Te. So on the left side, I will substitute 2 pi into square root of Lx divided by n times Ge, and this is equal to, right side I will substitute 2 pi into square root of Le, length on earth, divided by G on earth. So now the constants 2 pi and 2 pi get cancelled. So square root of Lx by Nge is equal to square root of Le by Ge. Now squaring on both sides. So after squaring, the root gets eliminated. So I can write Lx divided by n into Ge is equal to Le divided by Ge. Now Ge also is getting cancelled. Therefore, the length on the planet X, that is Lx, is equal to n times Le. So this is n times Le. And the unit is meter because it is length. So we have found that the length Lx is equal to n times the length on earth. Okay. So what is the value of length on the earth is given, that is 0.9. Okay. Therefore L on X is equal to 0.9 into n meter, that is the unit. So the option A itself is 0.9 times n into, okay, meter. So this is the right answer. So option A is the correct answer. This type of problems have been already asked many times in the IIT and medical entrance examinations. So practice well such problems. I hope you must have understood fine.